welcome back. And one of my tasks, I have given you to solve 12x plus 5y is equal to 125. So, where you have to find for any positive integer of x and y combination, this equation should be true. Means what are the values for x and y which are to be a positive integer, then this equation satisfied. So, this was the task. So, let me solve it for you. Here I am just keeping x one side and bringing y on the other side. So, it will be like this only. Further, if I write 12x is equal to, if I take 5 common out of it, it will be 25 minus y. Now, again I am just keeping 25 minus y on one side and keeping other things on the other side. So, this equation at the end is something coming like that. Now, as because x and y are to be positive integer, for any value which should be a positive for y, positive integer for y, here if you can see that this part also to be an integer. So, for that x to be a multiple of 5, where t is greater than equal to 1, okay. It could be greater than or equal to 1 and integer or any natural number you can say. If for any value of t which is integer and natural more than 1, this satisfied to be a function of t, x satisfied to be a function of t and multiple of 5. Now, from this if I put the t value is equal to 1, the lowest value that t is equal to 1, if I say, so this y value become 12 into 5, that is 12. So, the y equal to 13. So, this could be a one set of solution where x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 13. Let us see for any other values. Let us see, if t is equal to 2, then your x is 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. If I put this value there itself, it will become 10 means 24. So, y is 1. So, for the second set of solution, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 1. So, these are the two sets. Further, I want to proceed with the value t, let us say 3, then x is equal to 15. So, this is a real solution. Let us see what is the value of y. So, it will be become 36. So, here you can see that y become minus 11. So, as because we need the x and y value to be a positive integer, so this does not satisfy. So, we cannot go further to this. So, the maximum set of solution for which this equation satisfied would be, the first one is x is equal to 5, y is equal to 13, and second set is x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 1. So, these are the solution for which 12x plus 5y is equal to 125 will satisfy, where x and y is belongs to more than 0, means that could be a more than 0 and integer. Okay. So, this could be satisfied for this equation. So, this is your solution. Just have a look further. If you have a doubt, you can comment on the section. And another one, in the last one of my videos, I was giving you a solution where you have to do division of 11 to the power 50 and 17 to the power 12 by 6 to find the remainder, where I want to add something in the last stage where you have arrived up to 5 to the power 62 upon 6, how it could be find the remainder. So, there I did something, now I will show you something. Now, if keeping this as 5 to the power 62, let me explain further. If 5 to the power 1, it gives 1. If I divide with 6, the remainder will be 5 itself, because this is not divisible. So, 5 will be. If I go for 5 square, then it will give 25. If I divide by 6, it will remainder will be 1. If I go for 5 cube, it will be 125 upon 6. So, it will give you 5 again, the remainder. If I go further, 5 to the power 4, it will give you 625 by 6. It will give you further remainder of 1. So, if you see, the odd one will give 5, even one will give 1, odd 5, even 1. So, like that, if you go on increasing the series, you will find in the same pattern. So, here the power is your even. So, in that case, the remainder you will find this one, that means 1. So, in that way also that solution can be done, because what I have explained may not be that much easy to understand. It will be a very easy to understand further after getting this one. So, prior to the stage it will be similar. Okay. So, again I am just requesting to subscribe my channel and kindly forward it to your group, so that more people can be advantageous. Thank you.